Welcome back to another video, and if you can't tell by the background, we're at a car meet right now. I literally just pulled up, just parked, and we're about to go check it out. I decided to switch it up tonight and park on this side of Paloma. Paloma's over there, as you can tell, the big old tower over there, and we're on, you know, the furthest side. Switching it up a little bit. But let's go check out some cars. Go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Let's get straight into this video. Let's see what type of cars we can find. Hear the sound of that, bro. Look at the rear tire. It is packed tonight. Ooh, speed. Look at that front mount. God dang Supra. Always good to see a Supra. So you guys can get a glimpse, like, just look how much people is here. Bagged. Oh, damn. Oh, it's that beautiful Viper again. Look at that thing, bro. Oh my gosh, that collar. Look at that Miata, bro. That thing looks clean though. Ooh, your Miata? Ah. Jeez. Damn. Damn. Bruh. Damn. Jeez. Holy hell, bro. Oh, that's crazy. Going crazy down there. Bro, look at all the bikes. Look at it. Holy. Bro. What is this? Yo. Ooh, achy. I love the new setup, bro. Fire. That's fire. Look at this Subi right here. This looks damn fire. Damn, wide bodied. Now this guy is going next. Helicopter still up in the sky. Look at it. Bro, it is wild out here tonight. Absolutely crazy. This Ultima's still going. Place is packed, dude. Holy, cars everywhere. Ooh, look at this 240. God damn, bro. This is clean. Confetti seats. Clean EG. Looks nice. It's crazy out here, bro. This is crazy. Now it's the RSX, bro. Oh snap! Bro, back up! Oh shoot, what the hell? Yo, it's on fire! Bro, whoa. Oh shoot, bro! Yo! Is this thing saved or what? Holy. Hopefully it's good. God damn. Oh, hold on. This car broke. Update, the car is fine, guys. Took out the fire, it's all good. But damn, that was crazy. Oh, he's here. No way. The demon, bro. And a nice, oh man, that thing's stupid clean, bro. But the demon. You already know this burnout's gonna be crazy. McLaren though is super damn nice. Ooh, they're both lady driven. Yo, God damn, that car is so nice, bro. From Cali? What? Sheesh. It is so hot under this, bro. She's a demon though. That's pretty dang crazy. Look how crazy that is. Damn. That car is always clean to see though. But holy guys, I think I'm gonna call it a night because it is wild out here. Holy hell. Alright, I think I had enough guys. I think I had enough. So I think it's safe to say that I'll end the video here because right now La Paloma is too hot right now. Bloods are rising, adrenaline is pumping, and you guys know it's just going crazy. People are just two-stepping, burnouting, and just doing crazy things. As you can tell, that RSX caught on fire, bro. This is ridiculous. I am ending it here. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.